Hi everybody, it's Lori, GLP-1 Journey in Review. I'm here with Carol, my wife.
Hi.
Today we are going to try frozen breakfasts. They're not necessarily high protein, but we picked ones that were low in calories and probably are a little bit higher in protein. In full disclosure, one of the burritos said best cooking method is air fryer, so we did do that so they're not all microwaved. So we're going to start with the Jimmy Dean breakfast bowl. And let's see the nutrition on that. This is a whole bowl. It's 270 calories, 12 grams of fat, 22 grams of carbs, which is 8%, 3 grams of fiber, 1 gram of sugar, and 19 grams of protein.
That's pretty good.
That's pretty good. Like I said, it's not advertised anything as a high protein, but again, grab a fork. Carol, here's your fork.
Thank you.
Bowl. Looks like it's got potatoes, eggs, cheese, sausage,
It's turkey sausage.
turkey sausage.
Sorry.
Not bad. A little dry, but not bad.
No, I think it's good.
Okay, so that one I would do 270 calories. Not too bad for a breakfast. It's a quarter to a fifth of your daily calories, depending on how many. We try to shoot for about 1,200. So, but that's just because of our age, weight, and height. So next we have an egg wedge by Reds. Again, this is microwaved for almost 2 minutes and then let sit a minute. It's got 17 grams of protein, no antibiotic, cage-free, 190 calories, 12 grams of fat. Let's see, carbs is 3 grams, so it's pretty low in carbs. No fiber, no sugar. Oh, I'm sorry, 1 sugar, and again, 17 grams of protein.
So that's pretty good.
Cut this sandwich. This is what it looks like. Here you go. All right.
That looks yummy.
All right. Cheers.
Yum. Breakfast for dinner, yummy.
This is good. Yeah, I don't really eat much for breakfast, so we're doing this for dinner. We had a big lunch. And then next we're going to go for, let's see. What do you want to try next?
Those little
Egg
bites.
So let me get to these. Our Eggland's Best Egg Bites. This is sausage and 3 cheeses, 14 grams of protein. 2 of these bites are 220 calories, 17 grams of fat, 3 of carbs, 1 gram of sugar. I don't know how they add the sugar, but can you do a bunch of other vitamins and, like I said, 14 grams of protein. We're just going to have 1, so it is like 7 grams. Here you go, honey.
Oh,
She's going to get full very quickly. I'm leaving part of mine.
I have to leave part of it, but I might eat it after the.
These are good. I've always liked egg bites. If I happen to be at Starbucks and really hungry, they do have egg bites there, and that's usually what I get as one of their healthier choices. So, next we have, let's try one of the burritos. And this one is Monterey egg, sausage, and cheese burrito.
Is that the one with the chorizo?
No.
No.
This has 290 calories, 13 grams of fat, 32 grams of protein, 1 gram of fiber, 1 gram of sugar, and 11 grams of protein.
Oh,
This is what it looks like.
yum, huh?
Very cheesy. Or not bad. Okay. Well, it's really not bad, but it is a little cheesy flavored. A lot of, not flavored, but cheese in it.
I like it.
All right, so what do we have next? Let's go with the Delights.
Mm-hmm.
The Delights Egg Wedge. 250 calories, 19 grams of fat, 8 grams of carbs, 1 of fiber, 4 of sugar, including 1 added sugar, and 14 grams of protein.
Again, not bad. I used to eat these before I was dieting.
Yeah, I mean, all of these aren't bad. I just personally try to eat as little processed food as I can. You know, sometimes you can't help it, and sometimes I can't help it. There you go.
Thank you.
And this is what it looks like.
I don't see any cheese. Oh, it's light cheese, white cheese.
Again, I've had these before. I've always liked them. Just not super big at having them for breakfast. So next we have the burrito, and this one is, we have the wrapper. This is the chicken chorizo burrito. 16 grams of protein, cage-free eggs, 340 calories. This is probably the highest calorie of all of them, but that's okay. It's still not too bad.
It's the chorizo.
And there's 15 grams of fat, 37 grams of carbs, 2 of fiber, 1 of sugar, including 1 gram of added sugar, and 16 grams of protein.
So, not enough fiber to offset the.
Yeah, but it's still not bad. It's still only like, how many, what's the percentage? Carb percentage, it's only 13% of what you're allowed in a day, what they say you're allowed in a day. Again, this one
I
was
hope
made,
you enjoy these little things where we sit here and eat in front of you.
again, this was made in the air fryer and not in the microwave, so.
So it has a crispy crust.
It's still pretty hot, though. But it's good. So, those are our breakfasts. I actually liked them all and would eat all of them again. They're all totally different. If I was going to say my least favorite, I'd probably say the bowl, only because it was a little bit dry. Again, I'm also...
It did sit out for a while, though.
Yeah. Again, I'm also the type that I wouldn't mind throwing a little Tabasco on it, Tabasco sauce, but and that would take care of the dryness. But my wife doesn't like that, so I can't say that I have a favorite. I really like the little egg bites. The burritos were good, and both sandwiches were good. So I can't complain about any of it. So I guess price might, what's on sale might determine some of it. If I'm away, this is like on vacation or something, and most places at least have a microwave. This could do for a breakfast or more like a lunch type thing for me.
Chorizo's a little too spicy for me.
Yeah, I thought it was still pretty good. So that's our opinion. You all have your opinion. If you found this valuable at
Please
all,
tell us your opinion.
let's put it in the comments. Let us know what you think. Please like, subscribe, share. It really does help the channel so we can continue to bring you our honest reviews of stuff along with a lot of featured videos. So thank you. And I know it's for us, it's breakfast for dinner. So have a good one.
You too.